Chavo here. Alright, some geezer, right, just gives 20 quid and said, can I read this stuff out here? But I can't read right well, so I'll try anyway. Right, here we go then. Right, 20 quid, yeah, a lot of thanks there, innit? 20 quid, that's fucking good, that. Anyway, it says, hello and welcome to Stupid Noise of the Week, number 35, with insert name here. Oh no, that's supposed to put my name here, Chavo! Yeah, that's it, right. With me, Chavo, right? And now make a stupid noise. Alright. Oh, it wants me to make a stupid noise. Alright, here we are, right? Stupid noise. Yeah, there we are, stupid noise, yeah. Alright, that's it then. Alright, I'm gonna get me 20 quid now, I got my load of facts. I think you're gonna have his camera and all. Alright, see you all later.
This week's Stupid Noise of the Week is sponsored by